So today I'm going to be showing you the most simplest and then the easiest way to earn free tone coin each and every single minute, unlimited each and every single day. So first of all, make sure to check the video description. I'll place two links over there for you to use to register for the platform, and then the wallet that you use to receive the payment through, which is the Faucet Pay wallet. So when you are done doing the registration for both links, you'll be redirected to the earning website over here, which looks like this. So on this website, you have to scroll down to this section over here where they say you should claim Faucet each and every 30 seconds. So you go ahead and then click on the claim now button, and then over here you can see that you'll be able to claim 0.002 tone each and every single minute, and this is an instant withdrawal. You will not wait for 24 hours or more for the withdrawal to be sent to your wallet, and it is very easy to do. So all that you have to do next is to solve the anti-bot links that they've added over here. So the first one over here is I'm just going to go ahead and then solve this real quick and then continue. Okay, when you are done with that, you'll be asked for another verification again. You also have to make sure you complete the second verification before you'll be able to receive your reward. And now we are verified, and then you then click on collect your reward. So now over here our reward have been sent to our Faucet Pay wallet. Now let me go ahead and then check my Faucet Pay wallet to see whether if it actually been sent or not. Now when you scroll down to the very bottom over here, you will see that we have received a payment of 0.002474 tone coin from the website that I've just shown you right now, and the withdrawal is very instant, and this is the second withdrawal that I've withdrawn from this platform. This is the first one, and this is the second one at the top over here. And if you see my tone coin balance over here, you see that it have actually increased from 0 to you could see over here that it have increased from 0 to 0.00314761. So that's pretty much it, guys. Very easy and then simple to do. Make sure to check the video description or the comment section for the link to the both website for you to also be earning free tone coin each and every single minute.